Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable warn if S Pen is left behind on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then we swipe down at the top. And from the quick settings menu, tap on the settings icon. In here, we go down and tap on advanced features. Next, we go down and tap on S Pen. Then we swipe up to go down and tap on warn if S Pen is left behind. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And by default, this is turned on. And it will show you a warning if you leave your S Pen behind and walk away with your phone while the screen is off. So the phone always connected to the S Pen, and it has a sensor that when you are far away from the S Pen, when it can no longer detect your S Pen within the proximity, then it will automatically give you a warning. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.